Hey guys, this is MDP Tech and today we are unboxing a special thing. Special thingy that's called DJI MIC 2. Combo box with a charger, wireless microphone. So, what's in there? Let's see. 16-hour recording, even 32-bit, I like it. 250-meter range. I guess, of course, that's outside or something like that. 18-hour battery, high quality audio recording. Well, after this video, I think at last we're gonna get better audio quality for this channel. All in one, ready to use. So, what's in the box? In the box there should be receiver, transmitter, 2, charge case, carrying bag, clip magnet, mobile phone adapter for the Android, for the iOS, 2 windscreens, audio cable, USB-C charging cable, and of course documents. So let's get into this. I wanted this for so long, but I just decided, why not, and let's just go with it. On Sunday is going to be Father's Day. So me as a father, I decided, okay, let me gift something for myself. This plastic is I thought it's a little box, we don't need any, Oh yeah, DJI.com. The box itself, the paper is not too thick, simple. Okay, let's put it to the side. Even the plastic is not too great, but we'll see. Maybe at least the content itself would be amazing. Okay, let's take out this. It's kind of beautifully done, I should say. Look, this is really looking good. Definitely. This holding case, you can hold it like this, maybe onto the belt or something. It's really looking kind of neat. Really nice. Okay, I like it. Let's start. What's this about? Okay, so it's in a lot of languages. Italian, French, Spanish, Portuguese, Deutsch, Brazil, Netherlands. Well, not Netherlands, Flemish, but yeah. Japanese. Okay. Silicone gel. Put it to the side. What else is there? The documentation, and that's it. Okay. Let me put this box there. Let's see what's inside. And inside we have, I guess, DJI stickers. I'm gonna leave those stickers for my daughter. Quick start guide. I think there will be something, safe light guides. I guess that's if you have heart that thing that goes inside the heart that couldn't work with the electronics, I think. Quick start guide version 1.0. What does it says? Okay, transmitter, receiver, transmitter, cables, charging case, DJI Store application, to get, I guess, more information about it. That's how it's phone, that's how it goes to the camera, so that's pretty much how we're gonna use it. That's the clips. Okay, A, B, we're gonna use the B. Then we have, together with a pocket 3, but I don't know about these things. Okay, straight to the pocket, but we'll see. Maybe we're gonna choose to do it a different way this time. Okay, so that was that. Now let's open the case itself. I think this must be, oh, power. A pure power. Okay. Let's open. Oh, and it's right here. Oh, dude, it opens up so cool. Thank it. I love it. Look how it's. Let me show you. Maybe that's going to be. So that's the charging case with every little thing. Press to unlock. Oh my lordy. Half the battery there. Press to unlock. And here we have. Wow. Now that's interesting. That's interesting how it's. Okay, this is all the transmitters. Oh, they're little. I thought they were going to be bigger. Oh, let's put it to the side. Up. Nice. The transmitter that goes into the shoe. Hot shoe. Nice, and everything clips with the metals. Jesus, I love it. There's charging. USB-C charging. Nice. Was there? Nah, nothing too much, but still. Well, this box definitely worth the money. And I gotta say, it's not that lightweight. Actually, I love weight in things. Okay, what do we have here? We have a charging cable, USB-C, but we're gonna use different charging cable. Here's our RCA cable, TRS. That's how we're gonna use it with the camera until the camera adapter arrives, and then in the Sony hot shoe we're gonna put it into the Sony hot shoe, and it's going to be awesome. Okay, let me see what's there. So one is just silica, and other, it should be the windscreen. It should be the windscreen. Ooh, wow! And there's even this this grill. I don't think you can see it, but maybe put a little light there. Yeah, you see the grill? Yeah, right there. Interesting. So we have two of these also. Good. Noted. And pretty much that's it. That's just another windscreen. Another windscreen for another transmitter. Cool. Now let's see how the transmitters look. Ooh, you can clearly see the micro schemas inside. Wow. Really looks fine. There's the charging. If you don't have charging port, you can charge it there. There's a record button. I guess that should be the clip. Yes, that should be the magnetic clip. Oh my gosh, the magnets are so strong I couldn't even take it out. Now that's good magnets. This is going to be used. Damn. Well, oh, and even TRS cable here. So you can just straightly turn it straight into some audio equipment. Awesome. and of course the charge port here. Okay, now that was the transmitter. Now let's see the receiver, and as you can see, we have touch screen. Okay, 2024. It's not 6. Okay, I'm gonna set up that later. Yeah, but itself that it is touchscreen, it's awesome. Cool. That's the out. That's a headphone out. On off switch. Cool. Yeah, so that was the unboxing of the DJI MIC 2 combo set. That's what you would get if you buy the combo set with 2 transmitters, 1 receiver. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. That was MDP Tech, and if you have any questions, please do ask. And on the next video, I guess we're gonna have better audio. So thank you for watching this video, and bye.